Welcome! Want to give a shout out to someone on your Instagram story or tag a friend in your post? Adding mentions is a great way to do that, and it's super easy. In this updated guide, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to add mentions to your Instagram story. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, tap on Your Story in the top left corner to begin creating your story. Next, select the photo you want to use for your story. Whether it's a picture you've taken or one from your gallery, choose the image that best fits your post. Once you've selected the photo, look at the top right corner of your screen for the sticker icon. Tap on this icon to open the sticker menu, where you can add fun and interactive elements to your story. In the sticker menu, tap on the mention icon. This is where you can tag someone in your story. After tapping on the mention icon, start typing the username of the person you want to mention. You can mention any user on Instagram, whether they're your followers or not. Once you've selected who you want to tag, you can move and resize the mention sticker to your preferred position on the screen. Finally, when everything looks good, tap Your Story at the bottom to post it. Your followers will now see the mention in your story, and the person you tagged will get a notification. And that's it! You've successfully added mentions to your Instagram story. It's a quick and easy way to highlight your friends, brands, or anyone else you want to give a shout out to. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips.